video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off or kind of change your notifications. So it's very simple. We're just going to go here to our start menu, find the settings gear. Once that opens, you're going to go to your system tab, and then from there it goes to notifications. And here you can kind of see I have the notifications tab up here. You can turn it on or off to turn off kind of all the notifications, or you can kind of leave it on and then kind of manually turn these on or off, or you can edit kind of what you want to see from each individual one. Maybe you just want to show notification banners, you can do that with this tab. You can also change hide content by if you don't want to see it on the lock screen by hitting the tab here, and that way it won't send the notifications on your lock screen as well. But again, it's just kind of how it shows different kind of settings. You can choose to play a sound when a notification arrives, or just kind of turn that off completely. So you can kind of choose individually, or you can kind of go all at once and do that and kind of turn them all off if you just don't want to see any of them. There's also do not disturb, so you can set up times where you won't necessarily want a notification, as well as there's turn on tab. Do not disturb modes, you can set that up as well. So kind of go through this version here, which you can kind of set up a time, so turn on, turn off, if you need to repeat it. So again, very kind of pretty easy to use and kind of see, so it's not too hard. But yeah, these notifications can always be turned on or off by simply just going to your system settings and just kind of editing them, taking the time to kind of see what you might need or you might not need. So if when you're done, you just close out and you're all done. So that's just all for this video. It's just a simple video showing you how to turn on or off notifications. All right, thanks, bye.